I'm first going to talk about family obligations. Um, I want to say that this was one of my top choices. As healthcare providers, we sometimes, a lot get taken for granted. And why is this? Uh, Family obligations get forgotten about easily as we start working late and going to our jobs earlier and earlier. I, for one, can say I put everything into my work and have found it isn't really because I don't want to be home, but did as I know would soon. uh, But just that I'm a morning person and love to work prior to any patients arriving. With my family obligations, have I started school last spring thinking that I would just take the CNA class, and unknowingly it became more. I took a class this summer and decided to go back to school full time to achieve my dream that I could not tell you when it actually started. I just know that I've always wanted to be a nurse. And so I am going to school and doing the traditional BSN program. I once started this back in '89. I've been out of school for a long time, uh, and did not finish because I had to withdraw. I also think that as time went on, I wanted a career. I was tired of working, not dead. I don't call them dead end jobs, but I just call them that, not what I was satisfied with. I've always worked since I was 15. So I attended Iowa Western and got my medical assistant diploma. I have been doing that for the last 22 years, but it's not it's not what I want to do for the rest of my life. I want to take care of patients in the hospital. I want to be able to take care of them in hopes that they go home. And so I have now, and with that, I thought the CNA would be a perfect thing to do on the side. But then as time has gone on, I just made that decision to go to school full time. I am supported by my husband and my grandkids. At least I think my grandkids support me. But with this, I also feel like the family obligation I have not put in all the effort that I need to. I feel like things don't always get taken care of when they need to. Um, but along with my husband supporting me, my former coworkers have supported me through the initial decision. They always tell me, "You got this. You can do this," and I know I can. But sometimes I just don't have a lot of faith in myself. I need to give myself more recognition. And with this, I think obligations uh, sometimes get dropped at home, and even myself, I think that they have gotten dropped. Um, I also think that as healthcare providers, that we think, oh, I'll go back to school, get my BSN. Then we go back, we get masters. Me, I'm done at my BSN. Um, I just want to be able to enjoy my life for a few years at least, and uh, be content with that, and possibly be the main breadwinner. Um, I don't think that that's bad, then my husband can fully retire and enjoy his life. And I often think that this is my second time going to school. I wonder about others. Is it your first, second, or third? Um, were there hiccups in the road that caused you to either delay this choice, or was it just something that you decided down the road that I have found that being in school, I'm one of the older students, and I often thought back when I initially was out of high school, why in the heck would people want to go back to school at the age of 60? Now I understand, because sometimes there are detours that we don't we don't foresee, we don't have any choice in. So now, is this the right time? I don't think there is a right time to go to school. Um, if if it's something you want to do, we have to just go after it and hope that we can achieve it. I've given it my all, and I think this time around that I truly will succeed. And I wish that there was others here to see me to succeed.